All right, we're making mussels fra diavolo using It's Skinny Angel Hair. We need some mussels. We need chilies, shallot, garlic, whole tomatoes, crushed pepper, It's Skinny Angel Hair. Slice up that whole chili with the seeds. I like it spicy. We're gonna use a bunch of fresh parsley, chop it up, stems and all. All right, we're gonna slice our shallot, half a shallot, slice it thin. 3 cloves of garlic, you wanna slice those thin just like the Italians do. All right, clean your mussels. There's a little fur, just pull it out. Open your can of tomatoes. And you wanna put these over a strainer and just break them up with your hands. Again, we're building texture. Tomato paste, we're gonna use some. All right, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, that's me. We're gonna get it hot, saute our garlic, shallots, and chili. About 2 minutes till it softens, and then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Saute that again for another 2 minutes and just let it really caramelize. We're gonna add our crushed tomatoes. We're gonna add some fresh parsley. And then we're gonna get going on our mussels. Add the mussels. Now mussels only take 3 to 4 minutes to cook. When they open, they are done. So just put a lid on it, let them open, put them in a bowl, set them aside. Take your It's Skinny Angel Hair, toss it with your sauce, put it in a bowl, put your mussels all around it. Your friends are gonna love this. They will never miss pasta. And lots of fresh Parmesan cheese, a little bit more fresh herbs if you have, and dig in. It is so delicious. Enjoy.